Alright, since yesterday we talked about altering this plant stand to make a bird hanger a little bit bigger and higher up to hang some feeders on, figured we'll do a little bit of welding on camera and show you what I'm trying to accomplish here. So I'll put that hose down. Okay. Now let's run a longer bead. This kind of mild steel. So, okay, that's the one. I'll finish welding the top up. And a good idea is not to weld in short pants. Number one, your legs are going to get sunburned. Number two, if you got any hot coals running around, they're going to burn you. Which, after building a few drag cars, I'm fairly used to getting burned. Although the cussing and okay, that ought to hold a nuclear attack. As you can see, this thing already bent just from the heat, but it doesn't have to hold a lot of pressure, so that's not a big deal. And now I'm going to turn it around, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, which is going to be a little bit different because it's going to be in the way. Let me see if I can do this without moving the camera around too badly. Yeah, it's okay, I'm going to have to get the wire brush and clean that up a little bit because I painted it when I put this other piece on there, and then we're going to go ahead and put this other piece on this side and go from there, and then we'll clean it up and paint it. Got the wire brush. Clean that up a little bit. My other bubble gum weld on the other side. And we'll put this one 180 off. God damn it. These gloves are not good for that type of work. But we will see. Ow, ow, ow. Laying in the sun on top of being hot. So, okay, we got a lot of, ow, ow, ow. Ooh, baby, that is hot. I'm going to come up here. Let's see. Gotta get this in a right angle. All I need to do is really hold it to tack it. There we go. Alrighty. So that's the other side. Let's get our ground strap on here. Of course, I cleaned the metal off of the ground, but the paint on everything else had burned right through that. So we'll get a good tack on here, and then we can release that vice grip. That gives us a pretty good tack right there. Whew. Hot out here today, people. Again. And notice I put on my shirt so I wouldn't be showing off my massive chest, or whatever you might call that thing I got. Okay, I know wire speed is a little slow on this, but the problem with that is that this mild steel, if I speed it up too much, I'm going to put too much amps in it. And okay, let's see, can we do this side? Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, that's almost pretty perfect. Let's go over here. Since we're welded in, it should make contact. And let's do this, and I'm keeping my knees off the floor. That's pretty good control. Alright, so there we go. Alright, now I'm going to clean it up and bend it up a little bit, and we'll put it out front, and we'll go from there and show you how it looks once everything's hanging on it. Alright, so now got that all done. Yes, I'm using air tools because I have them and I'm spoiled, and this used to be my profession, doing this kind of crap. So you want to clean up the weld real good, because this will be outdoors, and you want to paint it to keep it kind of weatherproof. Basically, you don't need air tools or anything else like that to do this. Of course, you're going to need a welder, but that can be taken care of fairly easy if you have friends or anybody that does have a welder. Oh. So now let's do the other side. Try to get all that powdering out of there from the weld. Doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, like I said, it'll be outdoors. So, alright, there it is. Pretty much welded up, locked up, because I was running very high heat and a low feed. So that's what I wanted. I wanted to be able to get enough metal onto these bars because they are kind of wimpy, but like I said, they'll hold up to you know, a bird feeder, which these aren't very heavy. So anyway, now I'm gonna let that cool down a little bit. Yeah, that's actually cool enough. A little bit of heat with the paint will actually make it sink in better. So, alright, let me get to painting this and then we'll let it dry and then we'll put it back out front. Ah, okay. Oh, yeah, there you go. I got the plants in the new pots. I think it looks really nice. Anyway, alright, back to our project, which is now done. It's a fast little project, and there it is. So, got all of our hangers up there, our bird feeders, and they're all separated very nicely, and now I can put the seed back in here and the what do you call it, suet feeders up there, which the coons have been taking. So unless they climb this thing, which they probably can, I mean they're pretty damn good thieves, but it's going to be kind of hectic up there trying to get at anything. And it's all out of the way. I think the sun is going to be in the way. So anyway, nice little quick project. Doesn't have to look perfect. You know, it just has to be functional. And yeah, you know, even with the paint on that globbed on there, it'll probably rust in a while with the humidity and the rain. But right now I've got the feeders all hung up where they should be, and I can load them up with food tomorrow morning, because basically every afternoon we've been getting rain, and the food getting soft and, you know, mushy. The birds will eat it eventually, but I'd rather give them the food, you know, and the only ones that are coming at nighttime are the cardinals. In the morning we have all the little chickadees and the sparrows, you know, and the cardinals, all the other guys. So I'll go ahead and load that up in the morning, but I think it turned out pretty good, you know. I mean, like I said, that was only a couple of bucks to get that thing motivated right, and maybe it'll also help if I do any more bird videos to oh, what do you call it, you know, get them on camera, because they're all so close together. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good, huh? Yeah, what do you think? Not that I care. I think it looks good, and I'm the only one that matters in this little part of my world. So, alright man, that's it. Little project. Something to keep a man busy at all times, and, you know, even if it's no big deal, it was fun to do, and it works out better, and the birdies are going to be happy. So, talk to you later.